This is a wheel weight transfer machine that we S4 is building for one of our European partners. This machine will form part of a wheel and tyre assembly line that will be installed in Germany later this year. This machine interfaces into 3 other machines. We will have 2 wheel weight dispensing machines and 1 wheel weight applicator. How it works is the wheel weight dispensing machine will cut a wheel weight to length based on the wheel that's been balanced or the imbalance and the size of the weight that needs to be applied. The wheel weight dispenser will dispense a weight like this. It'll drop onto our handling unit, and once the wheel moves into the applicating station, the machine will come move the weight onto the fork and then move it into the application machine and apply the wheel weight. 2 of the challenges that we've had, or major challenges that we've had with the machine, is first of all, it interfaces into other machines, which we didn't have in South Africa. So all of this had to be done using CAD data, and our design team did an excellent job in making sure that the interface is done in a proper way and there's no collisions. Secondly, the cycle time is quite short for this movement of the wheel weight. We had to do all of this in 12.5 seconds, and this was achieved by using high-speed drives and pneumatic units.